computer support. Can I help you?
What?
What?
What is this?
This is nothing.
This is nothing. Oh, that's an interesting company. Is it new?
Yes, this is nothing.
Teddy Mac and Shoot scammer. Fuck you. You better fuck off. Come on, somewhere. Let's stop scamming people. Hello? Hey, Teddy Mac and Shoot.
Yes. Ma'am, why are you dirtying your tongue?
You these scammers.
Is it
You bad.
necessary to get
You bad.
necessary to Ma'am, is it necessary
What?
to get so dirty?
Well, I heard you all had a dirty mouth. Is that true? Yeah. I've been getting feedback from this number. Buddy. Damn right I'm gonna be dirty mouth. Get over it if you don't like it. Just hang up the phone.
The person you are trying to reach is not available. Please leave a message.
Oh, whatever. Answer the phone. Be back. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
How are you doing? Why'd you hang up on me?
Hello.
What? Hello? Speak up.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
What? Banjo. Attitude. What? Chutia? You sound like a Chutia. David. You got issues? You okay? Get a life. Go home. Stop scamming people. You're the criminals. What do you have to say about yourself? How old are you? Are you 2? What? You don't fix computers. Quit pretending to be that. You're bullshit scammer. Are you getting lots of calls? Is that what's wrong with you? You're acting really weird. It just goes to show you how stupid they are. I'll be back. Hi, I have an issue with my computer. Do you fix computers? Why? What's the matter? Oh, how funny. What the hell is this number? I don't want this. Oh, how funny.
Hello.
Why did you hang up on me? That's kind of rude.
Miss, because I love you. I don't want to waste time with you, alright?
I want to waste your time. I want to waste your time so you don't steal from people. What kind of scam you running here? Wow, buddy. That's hilarious.